Hi, today I will tell you more details about Ceyear new optical spectrum analyzer. This model covers from 350 nanometer to 1300 nanometer. It features high wavelength resolution, large dynamic range, and excellent sensitivity. We have to make a calibration to get accurate results. We use this pitch cord to connect the 850 nanometer laser source to the OSS input. We press System, Calibrate Wavelength, and input 850 nanometer, and then select Optical Align and click Execute. The align press is very complicated and will last several minutes. When the OSA promotes the calibration success hints, we press Sweep, Repeat to resume the measurements. We can see the signal's peak at 847 nanometer. The amplitude is about -30 dBm. This is a handheld red laser source. You can see the red light there. We connect the patch cord to the red laser source. And then we press Sweep Auto to set proper measurement configurations automatically. The analyzer is searching the signal now on the full span. Then it will narrow the span, set the vertical scale and proper resolution to get a better view. We can see there are several peaks. The peaks' wavelength and power are all listed on the screen. The current setups were set automatically by itself. We can further change the resolution to 10 picometer. And the sweeping time becomes longer. We further shorten the span from 20 nanometer to 10 nanometer. To 5 nanometer. To 2 nanometer. To 300 nanometer. Now, the sweeping time is much longer. We change the resolution to 100 picometer. To 500 picometer. Now we change the span to 50 nanometer. Because the resolution is too high, we cannot distinguish the several peaks. We reset the configurations by pressing the Sweep Auto to get the optimum view as before. We can further use the analysis functions. For this light source, we can try DFB to get more details on the parameter area, or FB. You can see different parameters and analysis results according to specific requirements. That's all for today's test. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel and check other test solutions. Bye.